What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 2015 Nissan Rouge, and I'm gonna show you how to take these door speakers out and install your own. If these are things that you're into, consider subscribing or following. This is what we do here at the channel. Anything car audio or install related, that's what the channel is about. First thing I want to do is come right here to this little trim piece. Use our panel removal tool and start popping that off. Go all the way around. There we go. They're held in by clips. Please be careful. Next thing we want to do after we actually take this part off is we want to come up here and pull this part. And now we have one harness right here. Took that off. Literally just pressing that little tab right. Now the only difference between this side and the passenger side is that the passenger does not have the these little controls to actually control your side mirrors, so that's why you have to take this harness out. Now what we have to do is take out two more Phillip head bolts or 10mm bolts, and then you have one more right there, so one at the top, two at the bottom. Now that that's out, I'm gonna take that whole part off. So next, if you look down here in the handle, there's a small little piece right here that actually hooks in to the bottom, so you don't really want to try to pull here. Come here towards the middle and the end part and kind of pop it up and then pull it backwards. And then you have one more 10mm bolt right there. Now after we disconnect these harnesses outside of this, we will literally have no more screws inside of the door panel. Let's come over here and try to use some hand pressure and take this door panel off. Oh, okay. We have the 6.5. It's going to be 3 more Phillip head screws or 10mm bolts. Turn this off to get to that speaker harness. Press it, pull it up. All right, now let's replace it with the new speaker. All right, so here we have the aftermarket speaker bracket, and don't worry, I will have all these product links in the description for you guys, but we put it back on and we put the 3 10mm bolts back in. And what we did is we want to cut a little small slit inside of this right here, push that in and grab it from the back side. And then we can hook up our speaker harness up to it, which is going to make this installation so much easier, because now we don't have to do any type of wire splices. We know what's positive, we know what's negative, and these two terminal ends can go directly to our speaker. At this time, I'd like to give a special shout out to Matt Franklin, Rex Ron, and over 20 different other people who decided to support the channel. Whether you guys get one of the fan subscriptions from JPtheinstallguy.com or the Patreon, or you buy your parts from JPtheinstallguy.com or hit those links in the description, all that goes to support the channel, and it goes a long way with me, and I greatly appreciate it. So that's about it. I hope you guys found some type of value in the video. If you did, then please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out. God bless you, and whatever you do, make sure you keep going and keep growing. Peace.